In this video, we are going to be unboxing the just released Redmi Note 14. Smooth. Box looks good. Sexy. Design looks cool. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. I don't like the graphics. While it's coming on, let's check if there's any other thing in the box. Empty. Oh, there's something in here. This is the manual. Interesting. Okay. I don't think anybody reads all of this. I've never seen a phone that gives a free case, but this looks interesting. Mad. Thank you, Redmi, for giving us a free case. Phones don't come with free cases these days. Beautiful. So let's set it up. UK house arcade. That's interesting. I've never seen house on an Android phone. Okay, next. Apparently, you have to click here. Next. Very interesting stuff. Okay, swipe down. I've read. Next. Skip. Skip. Next. Skip. More. Skip. Okay, let's skip. Phone's getting ready. Next. Next. Skip. Next. That was pretty fast. Preparing system. See the prepare. I like the finish. Looks very interesting. It has this shiny glow to it. Setup complete. Okay. Let's check the camera. Not bad. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ogabassey never disappoints.